gonna put the DRZ up in the storage. Already got the doors open. Rain is coming. You can see it up there on the mountain, so need to get with it. Perfect timing. It started to rain. Brought the DRZ in. They must be doing something down there at the office. I think they're pouring some more cement. I wanted to get over here and put some more rocks around the tarp before it starts raining, because it'll get muddy out here real quick. It'll get really muddy. Rain is coming, so we put the DRZ in the storage, and now tomorrow the forecast is for 20 to 30 mile per hour winds with gusts up to and over 40 miles per hour. So these are a lot of rocks, and I'm sure it says something about me to you, and it might look like it's overkill, but trust me, it won't be. Probably end up, the wind will get under and push all those rocks back. If the wind comes out of the west, which it usually does, it'll push all those rocks back, and it'll be flopping all day long. But I did notice while I was up here that, man, the elk came in overnight, because this wasn't here yesterday. There's a bunch of sign. There's like a dozen different poop piles. So we need to invest this in a game camera of some kind. Tell you, at the future property, we definitely will be feeding the animals. They would tear up some hay right now. They'd tear that up. Even cheap straw, probably. Well, the rain is coming. Tomorrow's supposed to be really bad. It's supposed to be raining right now and tonight, and get windy as the day gets older. So we're going to go back, and our mats and stuff that are on the ground, we need to do something about that, because 40 mile an hour wind ain't no joke. They've been working on this place, doing some remodeling. It sounded like they were cutting a window out or something. I don't know. Anyway, I noticed one of these people over here is a deck being built. Yeah, right there, or something. I think that's what it is. It looks like a deck, doesn't it? Heck, I might end up building me a deck. Definitely, once we get Blue Truck running, we're gonna rearrange our yard here. Gonna pull the trailer up. I'm gonna pull it way out here. I'm gonna park it right here, and then when we come home, we will back Blue Truck in right here, lengthwise, which will block everybody's view of us. The Blue Truck will be here, trailer will be right out here, and then somewhere over here on the side toward the back will be a clam, and then we've got two big huge plastic rugs we can put out, and then we've got our easy up, which we will for now probably put right here. I don't know, we may put it somewhere else. But we also have our awning that comes out, what is it, almost 20 feet, but it's real windy here. Anyway, you can kind of tie it down. And we've got our other, our solar cells we can put up, which will take the wind. We know because we've used them in extreme wind conditions. So tomorrow's a bust for working on the truck. Every day now has been a bust for working on the truck. Like right now, it's not doing anything, but guarantee you, if I pull the tools out, it'll start raining or storming. So we will wait at least till Thursday and see what happens. But we need to take up these mats and some of this other stuff because 40 miles an hour is no joke. A bunch of elk came through last night. I saw a bunch of poop around Blue Truck. Need to get a game camera and put it in front of the RV, pointing out or something like that. And then maybe one at the back pointing to the back, out to the pasture out there. Yeah, there's another pile right here too. Yeah. Rain's coming. We need it though, badly. It could rain and rain and rain and rain for 2 or 3 days. That would be great. A good steady rain for 2 or 3 days. Oh, they're pouring more concrete. That's what they've been doing. Oh, I see. Oh, that's hard work. I'm pouring out concrete. Probably gonna do a handicap right here. They'll be set then. Somebody lost some straw. I should have gotten some propane today. I'll get some tomorrow. Calm before the storm. Is that one of those all-wheel drive motorcycles? A rock soar? Is that what you call that? Rock soar. Looks like the moon is full or really close to it.